Alright, welcome back to the channel. Since my first version of this video did so well, even though the filming was absolute garbage, I'm going to do it again because both my cargo lights are out on my third brake light. So we're going to replace those today. So let's get into that. It's a real easy job. We'll just need a 8mm socket, trim tool, and let me grab a extension. And an electric ratchet. All right. So anyway, you gotta get into your back seat. Oh. All right. Once you're in the back seat, up here you have 1 and 2. We're gonna have to pop those off. They're on there pretty decent, so get you a trim tool. Here's 1. Sometimes the whole thing will want to come out of the headliner. That's not what we want. There it goes. So I'm gonna set you. It's hard to do one-handed, but oh, come on. Hang on. He fell out. All right. Up in there is an 8mm nut. Same thing over here. 8mm nut. And we're just going to get those out real quick. Try not to drop your nut. Number 2. Alright. That one I dropped. I got my finger on it. Alright, I'm gonna have to get a magnet. Got it. Alright. Now we're gonna go to the outside and take the light out. So anyway, really kind of difficult to do one-handed, but we'll manage. There we go. Just comes out like that. And now the bulbs themselves, just twist and out. Same thing over here. Whoops. Twist and out. All right, let me go find my other bulbs. Okay, so like I said, I'm going back with just a regular incandescent bulb. I haven't had any luck with these LEDs. So hopefully, one. I got a little bracket on it. And 2. All right, let me go flip the switch and test them. So now put them back in. Just reverse order, put it in, twist back, and twist back. Flip it over, line up your holes. There we go. Now we'll go back inside and we will tighten them down. All right. Ouchie. I'm gonna put that nut on there. I probably should have brought a light. I've been able to see a little better. All right, oops. All right, that one started. Next one. Nope, it didn't start at all. Ha ha ha. Joke's on me. Oopsie. Got it that time. All right, let me get the ratchet. Don't overdo it because it's plastic. There we go. There's two. And our cap's back in. And there you have it. That is it for cargo lights, but the same rule applies to the third brake light. It twists out the exact same way. I believe it's the exact same bulb, the whole bit. But if you have any questions, I hope your 2.0 version of this video does you better than my first one. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.